the easiest sheet pan meal. Let's get into it. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I have 2 bags of these little potatoes. You can use whatever potatoes you want. I just like these ones. And I just half them and then put them into a bowl. I have 2 of these Hillshire Farm smoked sausage rings, and I'm just going to slice them. If you want to do a smaller batch where you only do 1 and then 1 bag of potatoes, you can do that as well. You have to pay the sausage tax. Right now I only have my potatoes in this bowl, and I'm just going to dump some olive oil on until I feel good about it. I'm not shy with olive oil. Alright, and then we're going to add some ranch seasoning. Just do a packet if you buy the packets, or do about like 2 to 3 tablespoons if you have this stuff. Again, until you feel good about it. Measure with your heart. Add some pepper. Once it's all in there, we're just going to mix this all together until all the potatoes are coated with oil and ranch seasoning. Once everything is evenly coated, I just like to throw my sausage in and just mix it all together. Alright, once I have it all mixed and I have a cookie sheet, sometimes I'll do this on 2 pans if you want it like crispier or to cook faster, but I'm just dirtying 1 pan today. And you're just going to evenly spread it out. Alright, I'm going to put this in our 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And then it's been 20 minutes, and I'm just going to stir everything and then put it in for another 15. Oh, that's hot. Okay. 15 minutes is up. I'm going to give everything another good stir. Normally I've been shredding my own cheese, but I did not feel like it, so I just got this like cheddar and Gouda cheese. And we're going to put that right on top of our potato sausage mix. And I'm going to use this whole bag. It's not that much cheese, I feel like. Alright, we're going to put this back in our oven for another like 5 to 10 minutes. Probably like 5 minutes till the cheese is all melted. Alright, the cheese is all melted. Alright, so now what I would do is dump ranch dressing or like drizzle ranch dressing over the top. But don't come for me. I don't like ranch dressing. I don't know why. I like ranch seasoning, but I don't like ranch dressing. So I'm not going to dump it on top, and I'm going to dump it on top for my family, but I am going to eat this plain because I am a psychopath and I don't like ranch. Okay, that's it. Enjoy.